Hi, in this video, we'll learn about a Flowgorithm while loop. A while loop can be used to iterate or execute a group of statements multiple times. To add the loop, right-click on the flow control line and choose the while loop from the looping section. Click on the while loop to add the statement to the flowchart. We can use this loop when the programmer or the developer doesn't know exactly how many times to run the loop. So this while loop will execute until or as long as the while condition that you specified here will be true. So for example, 1 equal to 1 is always true, so this loop will run forever. Let's understand the while loop with the help of an example. So in this problem statement, we are calculating the sum of n integers. However, we want to know the minimum n when the sum exceeds 100. So what is the number n? So we can use the while loop in the problem statement. So let's design the flowchart for the problem statement. So let's declare the variables. We need three variables. So declare them. We are declaring the sum as integer. Declare the n, which is again an integer. Declare a loop counter. Let's say I of type integer. Initialize the variables. So let's say we'll initialize the sum to 0. We'll initialize n to 0. We'll initialize the loop counter. So here we are calculating the sum of positive integers. So let's assign counter to I. Let's add the while loop to the flowchart. So in the diamond symbol you can specify the condition. So specify the loop condition, sum less than or equal to 100. This is from the problem statement. Click on the OK. So this is the while loop condition. So the while loop will run until this condition is true. So that means sum is less than or equal to 100. So in the loop, we need to perform three operations. One is to accumulate the sum. So we assign sum to sum plus I. We are accumulating the sum of sum plus I. So while the loop runs, the sum will be accumulated with the sum of I in each iteration. Increment the value of I for each iteration. So I is equal to I plus 1. We are incrementing the I value with 1 and storing it in I. In similar manner, will increment the number n. N is so these are the loop statements. We are accumulating the sum, incrementing the value of I, and incrementing the value of n with 1. So after the loop continues, bring the n. done with the flowchart. So let's run the flowchart, and if you can see, this is the while loop in our flowchart. So I'll change the program speed to slow, and the variable watch window. So let's run the flowchart. Click on the green play button. You can see all the variables are initialized, and now the loop is running. You can see how n and I variables are getting incremented after each iteration, and the sum is being accumulated in the loop. So the while loop will run until the sum is less than or equal to 100. So now you can see the sum is around 66. See, the while loop has executed whenever the sum has become 115, which is actually greater than 100. So the while loop condition has returned false, so the loop got terminated, and the end is displayed onto the screen. So the minimum number of fans such that sum is less than or equal to 100 is 14. I hope you understood the flowchart and the concept of a while loop and how to add a while loop for the flowchart. So if you like the video, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. And thanks for watching.